Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 2. Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Let us find. How to calculate? First of all, we have to know how to calculate this one. The amount for 2 years and 4 months can be calculated by first calculating the amount for 2 years using the compound interest formula and then calculating simple interest for 4 months on the amount obtained at the end of 2 years. Let us first find the compound interest for 2 years, right? Therefore, for 2 years we are getting principal P. Well, first for find amount or compound interest for 2 years, right? Therefore, principal P is given. Principal P is given. Principal P is given as rupees 26,400. Rupees 26,400. This is principal. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Rate of interest is equal to 15% per annum. Rate capital R is equal to 15% per annum. 15% per annum. Right? First I will find the amount for 2 years and n is equal to 2. First I will find for 2 years, that is for n equal to 2 years, n that is equal to 2 years. After that we will find simple interest for 4 months, right? First of all we find the compound interest for 2 years, right? We know that amount is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100, P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. The we are getting principal is 26,400. 26,400, that is P. Into 1 plus R, 1 plus R is 15. 15% means 15 by 100, that is R. And n is for 2 years. So to find the value for 2 years, the value of n is 2. Therefore, we are getting, we cut it by 5, 5 3 is 15 and 5 2 is 10, it is 0, right? Therefore, we are getting 26,500, 26,400 plus into, if we take 20 as LCM, that is 20 plus 3 whole square, or it can be written as 26,400 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20, right? After calculating this one, we are getting rupees 34,900 914. After calculating this one, we are getting rupees 34,914, that is the amount. Now we have to find the simple interest. Now the principal is this one for simple interest for SI. For simple interest, here P is given as principal is this amount, that is 34,914. 34,914. 914. Right? This is the principal. And time is 4 months. Right? That is T. Rate of interest, capital R, is 15%. That is 15 by 100. 15% per annum. 15% per annum. Per annum. And T is for 4 months. 4 months means 4 by 12 years. 4 by 12 years. And that is equal to 4 3 are 12, 1 by 3 years. 1 by 3 years. Right? And we know that simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. P R T by 100. Right? If we are getting principal as 34,914. R is 15%. That is 15 by 100. 15 by 100. 15 by 100. And T is 1 by 3. T is 1 by 3 time 1 by 3. T is 1 by 3. Here you see T is 1 by 3. Therefore we are getting T as 1 by 3. As 1 by 3. As 1 by 3. After calculating this one, we are getting rupees. After calculating this one, we are getting rupees 1,745. 1,745.70. Right? Therefore, we can say interest for 2 years. Now we are writing interest for interest for interest for first 2 years. Interest for first 2 years. Interest for first 2 years is equal to interest for first 2 years is equal to amount minus principal, is A minus P. Amount is 34,914. That is rupees 34,914 minus principal. Principal is 26,400. Principal is rupees 26,400. We subtract this one, we will get rupees. This interest for first 2 years, 8,514. 8,514. This is interest for first 2 years. And interest for 4 months. And interest for 4 months. Interest for 4 months. Interest for 4 months. For 4 months is equal to interest for 4 months is equal to rupees 1,745.70. That is 1,000 rupees 1,745. 1,745.70. Right? Therefore, total compound interest is equal to total. Therefore, total compound interest, total compound interest, is equal to rupees 8,000 514, 8,514 plus 1,745.70, and if you add this one, we are getting total compound interest as rupees 10,000, rupees 10,000, 10,259, 259, 259.70. Then we can say that amount is equal to amount. That we can say that amount A is equal to principal plus total compound interest CI, right? Therefore, principal is 26,400, 26,000 rupees, 26,400 plus total compound interest is this one, that is 10,000, 259, 10,000, 259, 259.70. We add this one, then we are getting rupees amount, that is rupees equal to 36,000, 659, 659.70, and that is the answer, right? What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? That means she have to pay rupees 36,659 to clear the loan, right? Therefore, what amount she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Therefore, she will have to pay rupees 36,659.70 at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody.